Hello, I created this portrait to review, demonstrate, and experiment with this beautiful pencil right here. I used the entire thing up. It was so soft and beautiful. The only issue was, as you can see here, a few pieces of lead fell out. Might be because of my method of sharpening. It might be because the pencil fell. Also, two erasers, a gum eraser and a malleable eraser to shape and lift the pigment on the paper. I did not use white, I only used the one pencil, which is why the erasers came in handy a lot to create that white space. The pencil is Faber-Castell's Albrecht Duerer's collection, the watercolor pencil set that they have created, their German company from Stein. They named after the famous Renaissance German artist Albrecht Duerer. He was the first person to make printmaking a real art form. He revolutionized a lot in terms of art in Germany, and he had incredible spiritual woodcut art, which is just remarkable. My favorite is Melancholia. It features this fierce, glowering, sulky angel, and that is just what is missing in spiritual and religious art, which is my absolute favorite kind today. When did it become this hallmark art? The world of the angels, that other realm, it's lost its personality and it's also its reverence, I have to say. I love that kind of art where there's so much suffering, but it's rendered so beautifully. And suffering is part of the art of life and part of the divine meaning of life. I love it. So I bought this pencil